Hey, good morning, everyone. It's JJ. I haven't done a video in a while. I thought I'd do one showing you how you can use candles and market profile structure. Um, I'm monkeying around with a short and I'm testing my balance zones. These are those micro balance zones. It's a short one this morning, tight one, 17 half to 19, doubled it again and got 44.31 half. So what I'm doing is I'm going to test a little short here because I know what they're doing is they're distributing this inventory that was bought underneath VWAP and underneath 44.24, it's being distributed, right? When the market goes sideways, distributes. So what I'm doing is I'm basing the trade off the top of my target from the expansion of the balance range. And I'm also looking at it structurally here as we're going to spend some time going sideways in this 29 to 32 area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to initiate a short here, right? And if that short works, here's something very interesting. If the market keeps offering under 31 and a half, I'm okay because there's a seller at 31 and a half and then probably a couple underneath it. See, when a market can't reach a level, sellers are competing to capture the buying that's there. So what we need to worry about is if you're short, if the seller goes bye-bye, then it rips. That's why you have a stop. So this short might take a little while to play out. I'm going to test it with micros. That's how I work when I test a theory. So if I'm shorting an area to see if there's a seller there, what I'll do is I'll put a few micros out here between 30 and a half and 31 and a half. And if it gets over that standard deviation, I'm gone, right? There's no reason to get into a ton of pain and hold trades because I'm testing order flow to see what the buying is here. That's also going to tell us how short the markets are going into the last trading day of the month and quarter, which is tomorrow, before kind of a 4-day holiday weekend because Monday is a half day. And since Monday is a half day, sometimes things can get a little weird before the 4th of July when they're trying to mark a market up. This is going to be one of those tests, and this is going to be a small trade, couple of contracts on the micro, right? And I'm going to watch and see whether or not that gets taken. And this is me testing the market. So if I'm short, say I'm short 30.63 on 3 or 4 contracts, right? Just micros. I'll put a bid in at 29 and a half and see if I get filled on one. If I can't buy one measly contract at 29 half, that means that there's no supply. Then I can start maybe cleaning up that trade, taking off risk, right? You can manage your risk with size, right? So this is what I'm doing. I'm using the balance breakout zone, right? This is the 4 time zone. There's the 2 times. There's the balance zone that Mr. Dalton came up with, right? We've taken it and we've adapted it to use it on 1-minute candle charts for shorter time frame traders. So there you go. See, it's coming down. And I want that offer. I want that red line here. I want to see that come underneath 44.30, which means the seller or sellers are willing to engage underneath 30. They'll sell it underneath 30. I need someone to keep offering it lower if I'm short. Just like if I was long, I would need somebody to keep bidding the market up because I can't do that, right? I'm a retail trader. I can't move the market. So I need the large traders and the order flow to do it for me. This way, we can have a good idea whether or not a trade's going to work. Trust me, folks, when you have billions of dollars at stake every day, nothing is random. Anybody who tells you that, I've got some oceanfront property, Saskatchewan, to sell you. All right, have a sense of humor. Enjoy this month end. Take it easy. Come visit us at microefutures.com. I'm JJ. Have a wonderful 4th of July. Thank you very much. Bye for now.